wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best RC helicopters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, two sets of rotors plus a balance bar provide the Syma S109G with highly stable flight characteristics that inexperienced users will appreciate. It's modeled after the Boeing AH-64 Apache and has an impressive level of detail. It's able to withstand minor crashes, however it does require a line of sight for control, and the motor isn't incredibly efficient. At number 9, a 1:450 scale replica of an iconic full-size machine, the jczk Hughes 300C offers 6-channel control, so it's suitable for the most skilled pilots and advanced maneuvers. It tips the scales at just over 3 pounds without the battery. It features GPS positioning and automatic stabilization, but it costs over $1,000. Coming in at number 8 on our list, designed for use by beginners, the Walker's V450DO3 uses a variety of plastic parts that, while not the most durable, are easy and affordable to replace if damaged. Its size is a common one for those just getting into the hobby. It's equipped with a one-piece frame and a Devo 7 transmitter. However, the skids are fragile. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for RC helicopters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, lightweight, inexpensive and compact, the Vatos S880 would make a good introduction to indoor flying. It runs for about 8 minutes, takes less than an hour to recharge, and has a set of LED lights for nighttime enjoyment. It features 2 rotor systems and an internal gyroscope for stability. It arrives ready to fly. Moving up our list to number 6, a popular model among novices, the Syma S107H lets beginning pilots get a feel for the craft without shelling out big bucks for a high-end unit. Its dual rotor configuration and overall small stature make it a good choice for indoor use. It's available in blue or green, both with an altitude hold function. It's an inexpensive option. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Align T-Rex 700X kit boasts a durable frame and reliable components that'll last for many flights. This one is best suited to serious hobbyists though, as it requires significant assembly and considerable piloting experience. It comes with a lightweight carbon fiber boom and is over 4 feet long. It's powered by nitromethane fuel. At number 4, heavily influenced by far more expensive drones, the Syma Helifury TF1001 is a surprisingly capable quadcopter. Because it's so easy to fly, even novices should be able to perform flips and corkscrews, thanks in part to the gyroscope that keeps it balanced. It includes a powerful radio transmitter and is good for indoor and outdoor use. It's very affordable. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, priced at well under $100, the Syma S39 is a good entry-level option for indoor or outdoor use. It includes a charging cable and a replacement battery and tail blade, and its controller is small enough for kids to hold comfortably. It provides up to 6 minutes of flight time, and comes with a flashlight mounted on the nose and a plastic and aluminum frame. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for RC helicopters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, powering the Blade MCX2 are 2 coreless motors and a long-lasting lithium polymer battery, allowing for both fast speed and extended flight times. The smooth and responsive controls are good for those transitioning from an amateur model to a hobby-grade chopper. The swash plate sensitivity is adjustable, and it's especially easy to hover. It maintains its stability in high winds. And coming in at number 1 on our list, a major step up from beginners models, the Blade 230S V2 is designed for intermediate pilots who are looking to advance with their hobby. Optional flight assistance technology lets you manage how sensitive or forgiving the controls are. It boasts adjustable fly-barless stabilization and is good for performing tricks. It arrives ready to fly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for RC helicopters, or simply click beneath this video.